So, hi my friends and my seniors, welcome back guys in another very brand new video. So today this video is gonna be very important, very beneficial video for all of the English learners, for all of the people who wanna develop their English speaking skills, their fluency, their pronunciation, their stock of words, stock of sentences and everything in English. Because in this video I will share only three things with all of you, and those are some mistakes that you should do and that you must do if you wanna develop your English speaking skills more good and if you wanna make your English more better. Yes, so that's why this video is different from the all of the video. The another content creator, they will always share with you, don't do this mistake. If you do this mistake, then a lot of loss you will do. But today I will share with you that don't do this mistake, otherwise you will not learn something and also in English properly. And I am very proud today and I am very glad today. I am happy to myself that I did all of those mistakes in my beginning, and for that I am also now here. I can speak English and I am pretty sure that if I would not do all of those practices, that today I could not speak English. Yes, so now what are those mistakes that I did and how they just helped me for to develop my English speaking skills, my spoken English, everything I am going to share with you. So let's start the video. Now, the first mistake that you and all of the English learners, English speakers, they should do at the beginning time, it is that stop focusing on the grammars we speak. Yes, this word and this mistake is one kind of a mistake for everybody, but this is a very, very beneficial thing. And if you start doing it, then your English speaking, it will be more good. And whenever you will speak the English language, it will sound more natural, like a accent and also a native speakers. Because whenever we speak, most of the time Indians, we also take a long gap after all of the words that we use in our speaking, in our sentences. And do you know why it happens? Because for overthinking about the grammar rules. Whenever we speak something in English, then we think that what will be there and now which form I am talking, and also if I use the past form, then when I will use the future form, and all of that things, all of the grammar rules that we also study, that we also read, we try to use everything accurate in our speaking. But now if you are a beginner, then it is the time for you to do mistake, for to speak freely. Okay, don't think about the grammar rules at the speaking time. Yes, I am not saying that grammar rules, they are bad, don't use grammar rules, stop reading grammar rules. No, grammar rules is very important, and without the grammar rules, you will not be able to speak the English language right, correct. But now while speaking, don't try to focus only in the grammars. Okay, just try to forget the grammar when you are speaking, and at the speaking time just focus on your speaking, your pronunciation, in your words. Okay, just try to play with the words. At the speaking time, forget that there is also something like grammar, and don't think about that just now here will be past tense, here will be present tense, it is the continuous form, it is the past perfect form. What is coming in your brain, just speak. Okay, now also I am not thinking about grammars anymore. What I know, what I have, all of the knowledge I am using, and here I am also speaking. So it's a little bit difficult, but if you also speak, if you try it, then it will be your habit and it will be more good. And just trust me guys, whenever you do that, your fluency, your speaking skills, they also will develop. Your spoken English also will be more good and also more beautiful. Just stop thinking about the grammars and speak and speak. I know, first few days you will do a lot of mistakes, but for to understand that which is your minus point, which is your plus point, just make your speaking video, record your speaking. At that time, at the time of editing, when you will rewind the video, then you will find out your faults, your mistakes. So this thing I want to share with everyone, and now let's go to second mistake that you should do and you must do if you want to develop your English speaking skills and your fluency, your pronunciation, your accent. It is that just speak English fast. Yes, speaking English fast, it will work like a magic. Now a lot of people they will disagree with me in that why if we speak English fast, then also our words, our sentences people will not understand, and people also they will not like our speaking skills and our speaking way as a fast way. But guys, now you are learning English and you are developing and speaking English for yourself, not for the people that what the people will say about my speaking. So just stop thinking about it and also just listen to me. Whenever you will practice English at your home, at that time of practicing alone, just speak English faster. Okay, I'm not saying you that whenever you are giving a speech in front of millions of people, then you speak English fast. No, whenever you will practice English at home fast, then this fast will reduce lower at the time of speaking in front of people, because people and also the people's eyes, it's a magic and they can just decrease anything in our life. So just try to understand to me that speak English fast. Now there are a lot of benefits of speaking English fast. It is like the first benefit that you will also get if you speak English fast, it is that all of the time that you taking gaps and also sometimes you also just stop speaking and just also your brain goes blank, this type of problems will not come you again. Yes, they will not bother you anymore, because you are also you are like habited and you are obsessed by speaking the English language very fast, very quickly. So now at the time of speaking in front of people also, the sentences, their words, they will not stop coming, they will come again and again. And it has a very big benefit that whenever you will speak the English language fast, at that time a lot of words you're also using, and those words are more than your family members, than the another people who are also speaking and practicing English with you. Because just try to understand, as whenever we all speak English normally, in 1 minute minimum we use 100 words, 200 words in English. But if you speak English in fast version, very fast, like, so I'm a friend, I'm senior, welcome back guys in another very brand new video. Today's video is going to be very good, and also a different kind of a video, a very great video check, but nothing is real, everything is behind your crazy for it, but nothing is behind your lazy for it. Simplicity is the ultimate sophistication, and also like another that do good for others, it will company in an unexpected way. Beautiful days don't come from the comfort zone. So this type of sentences, whenever you will also speak faster, at that time a benefits you will face that you are using lot of words, lot of sentences in a low time. Okay, on the another hand you're also using like many words, like 500, 600, 700, 800 words in 1 minute. So just do this practice, and also your contraction, your pronunciation, your accent, how it develops. First few days when you're speaking is fast, then your words, then your sentences, they will come roughly, but slowly when it will, and also it will be your habit, it will be, and also you will be obsessed with it. At that time the words, the sentences, they will also start doing the contraction, and whenever you will learn to adding the words, mixing the words, then your American accent and also your accent will be more beautiful, more good. So just remember me now, people, and also you can see me that why I'm also using this low version speaking, because now it's my work for to understand you. I also do a lot of works for to understand you, my topics more good and also more better, but you also don't do one work. This work is subscribing the channel, hitting the bell icon and liking the video. So do. And now the last, which is the most important, and if you don't do this, and if this mistake, if no one do this in their life, then can't speak and also can't learn the English language. Now what is it come, I will explain to you. Now the third mistake that all of the people who want to develop their English speaking skills, want to develop their spoken English, if you stopped doing this mistake, then it means you also that stop learning the English language, and this is doing mistakes. Yes, my third topic, my third mistake that all of you should do and must do, it is doing mistake. Yes, if you stop doing mistake and if you just think that doing mistake is a wrong thing, then you will learn something good in your life, and also you're not able to develop your English, because mistake is the first step of learning. So always every works needs mistakes. Whenever you will do some work, just do the mistakes. Otherwise, you will not learn something better in your life, and also you will not able to learn and also to develop the English language. So always try to do mistake. Now which type of mistake I will share with you, that whenever you will practice, it means that you will do mistake. You don't have to focus on the mistake, that I have to do the mistake. If I don't do this mistake, that I will not learn something. So that's why for that reason now here I will do mistake. Don't try to force yourself for to do mistake, because mistake we do automatically. So how the mistake will happen automatically? By one thing, and this thing is practicing. How much and as much as you will practice the English language at the speaking time, you will obviously do mistakes. Now also I am speaking, I am not saying that I am perfect, I am proper in English, because whenever I also will edit and remind this whole video, if I also do any mistake, I will get it. I will find out my plus point, my minus point. So just try to understand it. So just at the speaking time, just speak freely. Don't think about the grammar rules. And if you don't think about the grammars, then you will be able to speak more beautifully, and you will do mistakes. And those mistakes you have to find out, you have to remember, and you have to solve them. But remember one thing, that first mistake in your life, it is the first step of learning. But the same mistake, if you repeat it again, then it is a mistake. Don't treat mistake as a wrong thing, as a bad thing. Mistake is your friend, your own best friend, that will be always with you in your whole speaking journey. And not in only English, your life also it will help. So remember it, just always just do the mistakes, and mistakes they also will also help you to find out your plus point, your minus point. Okay, sometimes we also speak and speak, nothing will develop in our speaking. Whenever we also just store some few words in our brain, we just think that we have learned a lot of things, but this is totally wrong. Because sometimes we also forget to find, and also we forget that this education, this English has no limits. So that's why it is limitless. As much as you will practice, you will find out a lot of new things. So it was the thing that I wanted to share with all of you. No mistake. And guys, lastly, I want to share one thing with you. That is, first of all, I want to stand up here, because this place is very nice and also very beautiful place. So lastly, I want to share that this type of videos I will always share with you, lots of motivational, lots of energetic, educational, and also many ideas, many solutions, many advice I will give you in this channel to develop your English speaking journey. So for that, just subscribe this channel, hit the bell icon, and like this video. It will be very beneficial for you. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Just trust me, close your eyes and do these 3 mistakes every day, and in few weeks you will see the noticeable results in your speaking. Bye bye.